Listen to this.
Say it again. Say it again.
That is not a sample pack. And it is not Suno. That is an open weight model running on a machine I rented for 1 hour. The voice, the choir, the organ, the whole arrangement, all of it came out of one text prompt. Here is a second one, different genre, same model, same prompt format.
So keep the engine on, keep the window down. I will be somewhere on the far side.
And I will be honest with you, I did not expect it to be this good. So let me show you exactly how to run it, and I will give you every prompt. First problem, my laptop has an 8GB card. The model files are 14 GB. So that is not happening, and that is why we rent instead. So I go to runpod and I take an A100 with 80 GB and look at this price list. Because this matters, the A100 is $1.59 an hour. The A40 right there is 44 cents. You do not need the big card for this model. I am taking it for the headroom. Two settings people get wrong. Container disk, I'm putting 200 GB because the torch install is already big before you download a single model file, and expose HTTP port 8188 because that is how you reach ComfyUI in the browser later. And it is up. One A100, $1.62 an hour with storage, and the clock is running from right now. runpod gives you a Jupyter terminal in the browser, so I do not even need to SSH in. First thing, apt get update and upgrade and let that run. Then git clone ComfyUI. And notice it is comfy-org/ComfyUI now. And that is the current repo, 31 megabytes a second on this pod. So it is done before I finish saying it. Then pip install the requirements. This is the slow part. This is torch and everything under it. And I have sped this up. Nothing is cut. And then we started. Listen 0000, so it accepts connections from outside port 8188 to match what we exposed. And there it is. To see the GUI, go to port 8188. Now in ComfyUI, you do not build this graph yourself. Go to templates, search Minimax, and the Minimax Music 3 workflow is right there. 4 nodes and 2 nodes. That is the whole thing. And the template ships with a note that tells you exactly which files to download and exactly which folder each one goes in. Read that note, it saves you the guessing. So we go into the models folder and we pull them, and here is the thing I want you to see. The music model itself in FP16 is 4.91 GB. That is small, but the text encoder, the part that only reads your prompt, is 9.2 GB. The prompt reader is twice the size of the music maker. And you will see this warning about an HF token. You can ignore it. These weights are public, so I'm not putting a token on screen, and neither should you. Okay, the prompt, this is the part that makes or breaks your song. So stay with me. Okay, so now the important part, you do not write make me a sad song. This model wants a structured document, and it has 3 headings, and they are always the same 3. Global metadata, vocal details, arrangement, and under each one there are fixed fields. And this is why the text encoder is 9 GB. Your prompt is not a sentence, it is 400 words of specification. BPM is 72, key is E flat, scale is major, singer A is female, alto mezzo, Hammond organ from the first bar. The model reads all of that. And then the lyrics. And there is one rule here that people get wrong. The square bracket tags, intro, verse, chorus, bridge, instrumental, outro, those are instructions. The model executes them. The actual words you write are not instructions. They only carry the feeling. So the tags build the song and the words fill it. Now, if that sounds like a lot of work, Minimax also shipped a skill for it. One command, npx skills add, and you get a caption rewriter, and inside that repo, there are 1,000 caption templates and 18 genre families with a router that picks which ones to read. So you say gospel, it goes and reads the gospel family, and it writes the 400 words for you. Then max duration and the seed. And one thing to watch here, ComfyUI randomizes the seed again after every run. So if you want the same song back, set that control to fixed. One of my 5 got re-randomized and I only found out afterwards. And then I queued all 5 of them and let the pod work through the list. The first song, 2.5 minutes of audio, took about 11.5 minutes on the A100. I have sped that up.
Say
And that is the gospel one. The lead vocal holds a real belt. The choir comes in behind her where the chorus tag is, and the arrangement actually builds the way the caption asked it to for an open model. This is a big jump. Second one, synthwave, male vocal, and here I was not testing the genre, I was testing whether it obeys the arrangement section. I wrote that the filter opens into every chorus and the kick drops out for 4 bars in the break.
It just burns a little colder every night this week. So keep the engine on, keep the window down. I will be somewhere on the far side of this town.
Third one has no lyrics at all, tags only, intro, instrumental, solo, outro, and nothing else. It stayed instrumental, no stray voice anywhere, but I asked for 90 seconds and it gave me 43, so max duration is a target, not a contract. And then the one I really wanted to try. Hindi lyrics in Devanagari. There is no Indian genre family anywhere in that skill repo. It has Mandopop, Cantopop, J-pop, and nothing for us. So I did not expect much. Listen to it.
रात के उस पार मिलेंगे फिर एक बार जो टूटा था वो जुड़ जाएगा ये दिल फिर से गा जाएगा
The pronunciation is clean, the words are there, and it sings them properly. That is an open model with no Indian training family that anyone talks about doing a Hindi vocal on the first take. That is the part of this video I did not see coming. One more thing, and this is useful. Every MP3 that comes out of this carries the entire workflow inside it. The caption, the lyrics, the model names, the seed, so the song file is the recipe. Drop it back into ComfyUI and you get the graph again. 3 settings and that is it. Max duration. Default is 60 seconds. It goes up to about 300, which is your 5 minutes. Seed, fix it to get the same song again. Change it to get a different take. And tile decode, which decodes the audio in overlapping tiles. So a long song does not blow up your VRAM. Slightly slower and there is a small chance of a seam on a big card. Turn it off. On is part 1. The reference code from Minimax wants 2 CUDA GPUs. ComfyUI gets around that. The original does not too. That text encoder is a 9GB download minimum, and there is no way around it. 3. Max duration is a suggestion as we just saw, and people who have compared it put it around Suno version 3.5, not version 5. That is their measurement, not mine. So who should use this? If you are making background music for your own videos, this is done, use it. It is Apache 2.0. The license is not going to bite you. If you want a finished release quality single, it is not there yet. And if you are building something on top of a music model, this is the first open one where the vocals are actually usable. And the whole thing, the pod, the install, the downloads, 5 songs, was 1 hour at $1.62. Then I killed the pod so the meter is at 0. So that is Minimax Music 3. Everything I used is linked below, the prompts as well, all 3 of them. So you can paste them in and get the same songs. In the next video, I want to take the same song and run the vocal through a clone voice pipeline and see if we can make it sing in my voice. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.